Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to crop a screenshot on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To crop a screenshot, you need to click on two buttons at once. First, to take the screenshot, so to do that, click on power and volume down at the same time. And then you can click on this pencil button to edit your screenshot. And now you can go into crop tab, and to crop it, just slide the corner or the edge, as you can see. And when it's cropped the way you want it, you can click on save copy, and now it's been saved to your photos. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.